Addition of 4-digit numbers. Both 1245 and 3732 are 4-digit numbers. 1 and 3 are thousands digits. 2 and 7 are hundreds digits. 4 and 3 are tens digits. 5 and 2 are ones digits. First let us add ones digits. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now let us add tens digits. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Now let us add hundreds digits. 2 plus 7 equals to 9. Now let us add thousands digits. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Thus 1245 plus 3732 equals to 4977.